for an update on my locks. Yeah, I started my lock journey on September 15th. It is currently September 25. So, updates. It's still shrunken. I've spritzed it here and there. Not too often though. I may have spritzed it once this week, but it's been raining, so I've let the rain kind of hit it. And yeah, so it's been like in its shrunken state since I washed it. And I'll just pull one down so you can see. This is like up here, so you can see that goes past my shoulders. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'll mention it again. The twist pattern, I started off with twist, individual twist, and I twisted all of them going from right to left so that I would have everything in sync and I wouldn't mess up any of them going in, twisting in different directions. So I love them. It's like I look in the mirror even now and I don't even have a fresh twist out or a fresh twist, but I look in the mirror and I'm like, I get so giddy looking at it because I'm like seeing myself in a different way. I mean, granted, I have had twists before and they have shrunken. I'm not well, actually, I'll take that back. I have had twists before, individual twist, but it's been a while and not since my hair has grown back in. Like I started doing individual twist back in 2019 when my hair like broke off and they were thin. So now that it's grown out, like when I first did my twist, it looks really cute and pretty, you know, full. I'm ready to do a retwist so that I can kind of section it and get everything back in alignment, if that makes sense. And this one girl I was watching, she was saying that like after so long, once your hair starts locking and they're maturing, that the separation process isn't as bad, I guess. Like once they're in a lock, like they stay in a lock. But like I said, I still have hair, I think that's like regrowing, that's going to be trying to find a home. So I'm dealing with that and just trying to make sure everything is not marrying. So I'm planning to do that, a wash and a retwist next Tuesday. So I'll be back, well, not next Tuesday, Thursday. And so I'm going to try not to wash my hair again until next Thursday because we're going out of town. So I want a fresh twist and just kind of make sure everything is kind of moving along. I haven't been experiencing as much itching this week because it has cooled down. So I'm not sweating as much. But today I did start sweating, and then like sometimes just wearing a hat all day, you can start to sweat more. And then like today I wasn't expecting it to be as warm as it was outside, and I had pretty much overdressed. But my hair is not sweating as much, but I was thinking, because when it was itching so bad, and I was like thinking that all of that sweat buildup can't be good for my hair, which is not like having all that buildup. But I've heard several YouTubers talk about salt water helping their locks to lock. And I was thinking, after I washed it last week, maybe the salt from the sweat is like helping my hair to lock. So I guess sweating is a good thing for my locks. So I'm always talking about how I'm so sick of the hot flashes, but I think I'm seeing some benefit where the salt from the sweat could be beneficial. But whether it locks sooner or later, it's gonna lock eventually, and I'm comfortable with that. So yeah, I made several headpieces, like I made several berets and a lot of headbands. And then I have headscarves too. And then there's this new thing, not really a new thing, but I just discovered how people are doing head wraps with leggings. And I have tons of leggings, a lot of which I don't even wear anymore. So yeah, I'm going to be able to put those to use. So yeah, I'm excited about that, just wrapping my hair up when I need to. I'll show you one look. So I made these three different berets. This was the first one, and I just like threw these together in seconds. Not really, but very short amount of time I whipped these up because I sew, and I watched a YouTube video and voila. So this is the first one that I made. This is in a black stretchy denim, and she walks you through like how to cut it out, the measurements, and you know how to get it just right. And then I just did a little tassel at the top. And here it is. This next one is reversible because after I made this one, I was like, how she explained how to do it. One part I didn't really like the construction, so I watched another video. So now I start to make all of them like 100% reversible. So here's another one that's reversible, and I did the little tail at the top. So it's in this red, black, and white plaid. It's in a rayon fabric, so it's really soft. It's not cotton. And then I did the other side with this lightweight denim, which I think it is a cotton. So yeah. So now I have like a 2-in-1 beret. And then I made this one last night in this silky satin fabric, which is, the color is kind of weird. It's I don't know, like a taupe, I guess. So I went with that, kind of like for the lining. And then I did the other side, this orangey, burnt orange fabric. And I think this is a cotton also. Yeah, so this is most likely, well, I don't know. I'll probably wear it on this side too because I like it. But yeah. So I made those, and then I made a whole ton of headbands. So I won't go through all of those, but I'm still super excited about my lock journey. And that's pretty much it for the update. All right, see you next time. Bye.